Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman chaired the 52nd GST Council meeting in New Delhi today. The meeting was also attended by Union Minister of State for Finance Pankaj Chaudhary. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurate the 9th G20 Parliament Speaker Summit P20 in New Delhi on 13th October. Such operations continue on Saturday for the 142 people who are still missing after the flash flood in the Tista River that devastated Sikkim. Meghalaya government has made all arrangements to bring back stranded Meghalaya students from Sikkim after flash floods wreaked havoc in the Himalayan state. This was informed by the Cabinet Minister for India. India has amassed a medal tally of 100 medals at the Hangzhou Asian Games in China. India is currently in 4th place in the medals tally.